everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami cactus and an origami pot to go with it. So you're going to need two pieces of origami paper, one for the pot and one for the cactus. So we're going to start with the pot. You're going to fold your model in half, bringing edge to edge. And fold. And fold the top edge down to the bottom edge. Fold. Fold the top edge to the middle. And fold. Fold this top edge down. Now fold it up, leaving just about 1 centimeter from the top. Just like that. And you're going to turn your model over and fold this bottom corner up to the very top edge. And you're going to fold the side edges to the center crease. Like that. And you're going to fold these over like that. Just like that. And then open it up and tuck that in. Just like that. Tuck it in on both sides. Like that. And then your origami pot is done. So now we're going to start on the cactus. The first thing that you're going to do is fold your model in half, corner to corner. And unfold. Fold the top edges to the center. Both edges need to go to the center. Okay. Now fold the bottom edges to the center, like that. Okay. Now the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to open this up only on this side, fold a little triangle up. Then you're going to fold your model in half from the back. Now you have this. Okay, so now that you have this, you're going to start just like this. You're going to fold this over like that. Okay. Now, once you have that, the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to turn your model over. You're going to turn for this edge up, about right there, and then fold this over. Right there. Okay, so now that you have that, you're going to fold this up and then fold it. Then you're going to fold this over. When you do, you're going to squash that down just like that. Now the next thing that you're going to do is fold the sharp edges of all your cactus down. And then turn it over. And then you have a cactus. Okay, now your cactus is done. Now you can just slip that cactus into the pot, and your origami cactus and pot is done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs and tutorials for any origami models that you'd like. So have a good day, keep folding, and I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!